Welcome to another exciting episode where today we're exploring an innovative piece of sleep technology, the Soundcore Sleep A20, your best sleeping partner. If you're looking for a way to enhance your sleep quality, this could be the perfect solution. Join us as we delve into what makes the Sleep A20 a must-have for a peaceful night's rest. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Alright, let's unbox this impressive device. Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds and their charging case, 7 pairs of ear tips, 3 sizes of ear wings, and a USB-C cable. The design is sleek and premium with a circular shape, and the opening mechanism is beautifully smooth. Talking about the design, the Sleep A20 is crafted with gentle materials for long-lasting comfort throughout the night. The soft twin seal ear tips and flexible ear wings ensure a perfect fit, especially for side sleepers. The adaptive curved shape provides zero pressure, making it ideal for all-night wear. The Sleep A20 features a noise-blocking design with a 4-point noise masking system that combines sound masking with a 3-dimensional ergonomic design. This ensures maximum noise isolation, allowing you to peacefully stream content via Bluetooth without any interruptions. Now let's talk about one of the standout features of the Sleep A20, its high sound quality and sleep analytics. With the Soundcore app, you can access preloaded sleep sounds designed to help you relax and drift off to sleep. The app also provides detailed sleep analytics, allowing you to monitor your sleep patterns and make adjustments for better rest. The Sleep A20 offers impressive battery life, providing 14 hours of use on a single charge and up to 80 hours with the charging case. This means you can enjoy uninterrupted sleep without worrying about recharging frequently. The fusion comfort of the Sleep A20, wrapped in gentle material, ensures that it remains comfortable all night long. The flexible airway design and adaptive shape means zero pressure on your ears, making it perfect for side sleepers. To sum it up, the Soundcore Sleep A20 is packed with features designed to enhance your sleep quality. Its high sound quality, noise-blocking design, gentle materials, and extensive battery life make it a standout product for anyone looking to improve their sleep. With the Soundcore app, you can access preloaded sleep sounds, personalize your sleep experience, and monitor your sleep patterns with detailed analytics. So there you have it, the Soundcore Sleep A20, the ultimate sleep companion. If you're looking to elevate your sleep quality, this is the product for you. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Sleep well and peace out.